The bumper sits on the bottom of your nail gun cylinder. The rubber bumper acts as a stop for the piston. The piston strikes the bumper at the bottom of its travel, which stops it and absorbs its energy. Over time, the rubber bumper will begin to harden and eventually will crack or crumble. Replacing the bumper is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now remove the cylinder. Now remove the old bumper from the base of the cylinder. I'll install the new bumper into the body with the long taper pointing down. And now reinstall the cylinder and piston back into the gun. Now I can reinstall the cap seal. I'll place the cap on top of the cylinder and reinstall it with the screws and brackets. And that's all it takes to replace the bumper in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.